crave and foul. You're foul and crave and mess of a man. You come here, my enemy, the gods' enemy, and ask me to trust you? Have you fallen so far into lust that you have lost the sense of your own shame? I'm glad you're here. Makes me stronger in my loathing just to see, to show you what you have made of me. Look at me! I saved your fetid, useless life. I loved you like no woman has loved before. I abandoned my father. I slaughtered my brother. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten?